How to channel.
Don't forget subscribe.
Hello friends, in this remedy I taught you how to whiten your teeth in just one brush, my friends. This is very effective. Brushing your teeth, brush your teeth. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. You can't use baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. This is very important. Table salt. 1/2 teaspoon of collagen toothpaste. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix all the ingredients very well. Once you mix and combine all the ingredients, use your toothbrush to brush your teeth. I hope this video helped you.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget subscribe.